with 15 on the street, ride couples wills. That's around I sleep, while they pass the bill. It ain't about one or two times a weekend. Cigarettes, it's a bit of dreaming. I see give me something else to smoke. But we have to keep the rubber lights cool. So my crew getting on to the music. So the song will always on our own man. Don't need no split, I need things with myself. So I need this was all that I tasted and tasted. Oh, it tastes so good. James, my man. Tastes good. And it feels so good. Little Bird, we're from Compton, Maryland. Yeah. How you doing, man? We're playing some music for you shoes in motion. Move on to my movie shoes and coat. Lover in the covers, better start in the dark. I'm getting lucky if you play with your car. And let it down here. Say very nice. I love Rancho Brown. What's up? So we're gonna play a new song. It's our second time playing a song ever. So you know, you guys are getting exclusive shit right here. Squeeze some shit. It's called Hollywood. Tarzan's gotta get a new guitar. While he's doing that, we got a cool little light up suitcase over there. It's got a whole bunch of koozies, stickers. Stickers are free. Koozies are free for the boobies. CDs are $5 a pop. We got posters. There's 2 posters hung up, but there's another one that's not hung up. If you want to see that one, you gotta talk to us.
Go get one.
We'll be hanging out right there after we play. What's up?
Is the other one hung up or is it not hung up?
I can't.
Is the other one hung up?
The other one's not hung up. That's the one with the woman and the shorts.
The one that's not hung up.
You good, Tarzan? Alright, this song's called Hollywood. My damn have mercy, got lipstick on the collar of my shirt. See, and I know she only wanna hurt me, but it's worth the hate to quit, so I chirp. See, it goes, Don't have mercy, got a lipstick on the collar of my shirt. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Shelby McDaniel. He's singing a couple of songs with us. So we only got time for one more. We had two more planned, but we're just going with one more. We're gonna pick the better one while James gets situated. Is everybody still with us? Is everybody still having a good time? I'm excited to see the other bands tonight. How about the other bands that I've already played? Give me a round of applause for them. Freelance, Velma, they fucking rock the stage, man. That was fucking cool. These guys are rock and roll. We got Bumpin' Uglies. Who's here for Bumpin' Uglies? Alrighty. I'm running out of questions, James. Who's coming tomorrow night for Giant Panda Gorilla Dub Squad? Those guys are cool. We saw them with G-Love here. Oh no, that was 930 Club. And we saw them 2 years ago. They're good people. They're very good people. Very cool band. They're good music. So this next song is called Like You Do. And that previous song you just heard and this song are going to be on our new EP. We're going to record that this spring. Hopefully get it out by like July-ish. Or maybe August.
We wrote it like July-ish, late August.
What's up?
We wrote it like July-ish, late August.
Yeah, we wrote it July and August of last year. I don't know when I recorded.
Somewhere around there.
Alright, the song's called Like You Do. So you know, just hold it. I wanna sip on my soil, never the funky time. She ain't stepping to the movie star. She ain't stepping to the music one. She is flying away, never gonna take to me. We got to be getting there. I'm trying to get rid of me someday. I like to what she wants. Yeah, I don't even have to say my song. Cause I can still taste you on the tip of my tongue. When I see people dance, they don't fuck me like a fool. When she gets yours, but you would say I'm done too. Feel like it is. Give me your hand.
Taste you on the tip of my